Negotiation skills. Negotiation is a process in which two or more parties settle differences and reach an agreement. Good negotiators are intelligent, and they know what point they have to say, at what time. They are able to manage conflicts and disputes in a way so that both parties can agree mutual agreement. Competing. This type of negotiation follows the principle of I win, you lose. These types of negotiators tend to do whatever it takes to reach their desired agreement at any cost. They are result-oriented and focuses on achieving short-term goals quickly. Their motive is to win. They do not consider about other party, which may disturb their relationship with the party. The problem with this style of negotiation is that one wins and other loses. Collaborative. This style follows the principle of win-win situation. Both parties reach an agreement, which is acceptable for both. This approach benefit is that relationship of the parties remains intact because of mutual agreement. And during discussion, both parties can understand each other problems. People who focuses on maintaining relationship tends to focus on collaborative negotiation. Compromise. This style follows the principle of I win, lose some, you win, lose some. And it is different from collaborative because it is not a win-win situation for both parties. When reaching the terms of the agreement, both parties have to make compromises to conclude the agreement. Accommodate. This style follows the principle of I lose, you win. These types of negotiators are opposite of competitive negotiators. They focus on preserving relationships and building a friendly rapport by sacrificing some of their company's interests in favor of the opposite party's interests. Avoid. This style follows the principle of I lose, you lose. These negotiators hate conflict and tend to talk in ambiguous terms about the issue and do not like to reach agreement. The main goal of these negotiators is to avoid reaching any agreement. These styles work best in situations where the negotiation concerns a matter that is unimportant to both parties. Negotiation process. Negotiation process consists of following steps. Preparation. Introduction. Exchange of information and facts. Bargaining. Agreement. Preparation. Well-prepared negotiator may win the negotiation. To get well prepared, get the maximum information, history, strengths and weaknesses of other party. Prepare your agenda, on which negotiation will be conducted, and make your BATNA, best alternative to a negotiated agreement. BATNA are the alternatives. If in case negotiation fails, negotiator can offer other alternative proposals to reach an agreement. Culture and norms. Negotiators should also gather information about the culture and norms of other party. Example, other party may like to come in the meeting with local dress. These factors can make impact on the negotiation. Introduction. On negotiation day, negotiator should be on time to arrange himself or herself and the documents. Start the negotiation by introducing himself or herself, the team and exchange greeting. It is always good to show positive body language to boost self-confidence. Exchange of information and facts. During this stage, information exchange occurs and every party explains their case. Both parties should be able to understand each other's case and ask questions to clarify things. Presentation of the case should be precise and clear, so that less time can be wasted on asking too many questions, and other party can understand the case. Bargaining. Both parties should discuss how they can mutually reach an agreement, which is beneficial for both, evaluate each other's case and decide what they can offer. But sometimes this is not the case, other party may not compromise on the agreement. This depends case to case, and negotiators can offer alternative proposal to reach an agreement. Negotiation may go for agreement phase, or talks may go for hold and continue again after some time. Agreement. This is the final stage of the process, in which agreement takes place. Verbal agreement may occur at the end of the negotiation, and written documentation may be completed later. In most parts of the world, agreement is a written and legal document. A good negotiator should possess following qualities: ability to adjust styles of negotiation according to the situation, ability to ask questions at the right moment, and offer proposal by linking other party needs. Ability to negotiate with facts and figures, rather than vague statements. Ability to develop relationship with other party. Ability to influence other party to reach an agreement. Ability to control emotions, develop trust with other party, and maintain ethics. Must have good communication and listening skills. Must possess skills to understand other party culture. By learning and understanding negotiation styles, negotiation process, and negotiator qualities, a person can become an effective negotiator.